Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. GAN sent me their new Megaminx, their Maglev Megaminx. I don't know what else is new with this, so let's check it out. Now, when GAN asked if I wanted to check this out, I let them know I don't really solve Megaminx. I have done it just at home, but not at a competition because it's just not something I felt really interested in. And last time I solved a Megaminx was probably about like 500 years ago. So we'll see how this goes. But just take this from the viewpoint of someone that isn't a super crazy fast Megaminx solver. Okay. Well, that is very interesting. They've got I was going to say a box, but they've got a dodecahedron for it. We've got a tensioning tool, just like they have with the new 14. We have a bag, which is nice, and this box. Clicks shut. Really fun looking box. Okay, let's take this out. First thing I notice right away is we have either UV coated or glossy plastic. I'm guessing UV coated just by how shiny this is. Doesn't say on here, but I would bet that this is UV coated by just how shiny that is. Feels like the same design, but I already love the grip a lot more solely because the old matte plastic was so slick, especially with these not 90-degree angles. We have magnet capsules. It's very nice speed out of the box. Fairly hefty click. There's no auto align on that. Let's take a centerpiece out, if I can get it. Okay, I'm going to take an edge out first. Just do that. We do have core magnets. There are core magnets in here. We have a ball core. That is very fascinating. I love how that looks in there. Come on, can I get a cap out? That is very difficult to do. Wow, I'm having trouble getting a cap out solely because it's just not a center cap like that. There we go. That is more difficult than I imagined. And we have the tension system very similar to what we have, if not the exact same as the GAN 14. We have 1 through 6 for height and 1 through 6 for tensions. Right now it is on, it looks like 1 for each of them. Well, 1 and then 6. So let's check it out. Okay, so the center one is, it's the centerpiece travel, how far it travels. So if you go all the way to 6, it is looser. You get more corner cutting, less anti-pop. I don't completely agree with the graph. I don't know how much it's showing on the camera where it says it's more corner cutting and less popping. Yeah, definitely, or less anti-pop. But corner cutting can definitely get worse on looser tension solely because it's flexing a lot more during a solve. But the inner one is for how deep the centerpiece goes. The outside one is for the spring compression or maglev compression. There is no graph here. So the way it looks though is that 6 is higher tension because that is higher up than that. Right now it's set to the tightest tensions for each, the closest center travel and the highest magnet, and I really enjoy it with that. So if you really like super hyper tight tensions, then I don't know if this could actually get to it, but with what it is right now, it is quite nice. Well, I must do a full solve because I don't think my unboxing review would be really worth it without actually doing that. So let's do that. I'm not going to put the full thing on the camera because I do not want this to be a 1 hour long video. was actually one of the most enjoyable Megaminx solves I've ever had. I did not originally like the GAN design with the matte plastic, but with this plastic, or with the coating at least, it's really comfortable and this turns really great. I did have one piece pop out, so I don't know if that's an issue or it just, happened that one time. But that was really nice. That was really enjoyable. It makes me even want to start actually solving Megaminx. The GAN Megaminx is on sale right now. This is the Maglev UV coated. They have one that is just the Maglev. I would highly recommend, if you're going to get this, to get the UV coated one. To me, it is totally worth it for the UV coating, just for that grip. As people know, I like glossy plastic, so that is the closest to that nowadays. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you again for sending this over. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep watching SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.